On today's episode, Boeing addresses quality control allegations and buys back Spirit AeroSystems. Today's episode is brought to you by Engineering.com, a globally trusted source for engineering content. Check out this and many other exclusive videos for the engineering professional found only on Engineering.com TV today. In 2005, Boeing's then CEO, Harry Stonecipher, sold off the company's legacy operations in Wichita, Tulsa, and McAlester, Oklahoma to Onex Corporation for $1.2 billion in cash and debt. The strategy was to increase shareholder value, and the new company, Spirit AeroSystems, remained a major Tier 1 supplier to Boeing and became one for the other major global civil airframer, Airbus. But in a surprise move following the uncontrolled decompression of Alaska Airlines Flight 1282 due to a door plug blowout in flight, Boeing has reacquired Spirit in a debt plus equity deal totaling $8.3 billion, a 30% premium to the company's pre-acquisition stock price. Boeing states that the reason for the acquisition is to integrate both companies' engineering capabilities, and questions about quality control following the blowout of the Alaska Airlines door plug, along with persistent rumors of lagging quality control in the 737 MAX aircraft program, make the reacquisition a logical defensive strategy for both engineering and enterprise value reasons. Complicating the deal is Spirit AeroSystems' existing business with Boeing's major competitor, Airbus. Spirit had acquired several European operations, a composite materials company, and Airbus has agreed to purchase existing facilities in Casablanca, Kinston, North Carolina, and Saint-Nazaire, France, as well as Belfast-based A220 production facilities that support the former Bombardier small airliner program. While the disappearance of Spirit AeroSystems as a Tier 1 supplier to the aerospace industry is primarily a reaction by Boeing to public and investor pressure due to the 737 MAX program issues, it may have considerable implications for the aerospace industry worldwide. Many analysts predict a significant shift in U.S. trade policy should Donald Trump win the upcoming election, toward protectionism. And with the disappearance of Spirit as a major Tier 1 with a significant European sales base, the domestic impact of possible tariffs in this sector will be considerably lower. Boeing is still heavily reliant on the Tier 1 community for the 787 program, which is largely outsourced and will likely argue against a trade war in aerospace components. But one result of the deal is that Airbus will no longer be purchasing large airframe structures from American sources, leaving European suppliers potentially vulnerable to trade action. For Boeing, reacquisition of the company brings 737 fuselage structures back inside Seattle's engineering and quality control systems, although the structures will still be built at Wichita. For the former Spirit operations, one question comes into focus. Will the long-anticipated 737 replacement aircraft be built with the same largely outsourced design and production methodology of Boeing's Dreamliner? And if the result is an all-composite aircraft, will it be produced in Wichita? The answers to those questions won't be known until Boeing announces the new aircraft, and with current order backlogs of both Boeing and Airbus, the 737 series will be in production for years to come. Well, that's it for today's episode of This Week in Engineering, brought to you by Engineering.com. For our deeper engineering series, visit Engineering.com TV for exclusive shows like Manufacturing the Future, Designing the Future, and the Engineering Roundtable, not found on our YouTube channel. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.